Hello friends, today we are going to discuss question 27 of STORM series. If you have not watched my earlier video, then go in the description and watch my earlier video first because that will be useful for you. And also make sure that you have watched my video on how to find area, because by that concept only I am solving all these questions related to area. So make sure that you have watched my video on how to find area, that is part 2 of STORM series. So let's start today's question. So today's question is, find the area of the bounded region between the curve, that is y is equal to x cube minus 6x square plus 8x and the x-axis. We have to find the region bounded by this curve. We can clearly see that it's cubic curve because the power is 3. So let's first draw the diagram. In such question, our first step is to draw the diagram. So let's first draw the diagram. For that, let's find the point where it will intersect on x-axis. So for that, let's put y is equal to 0. So when we put y is equal to 0, we get x cube minus 6x square plus 8x is equal to 0. Take out x common, so we get x square minus 6x plus 8 is equal to 0. And we can clearly see that its two factors are 4 and 2, because 4 2s are 8 and minus 4 minus 2. Minus 4 minus 2 8 and minus 4 plus minus 2 will be minus 6. So we can write x minus 2 x minus 4 is equal to 0. So when equating these terms equal to 0, we get x is equal to 0, x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 4. So we get 3 points where it will intersect on x-axis. Now let's draw the diagram. So this is y-axis, this is x-axis. It intercept are 0, 2, 4. So this curve will look like this. This will look like this. If you have confusion that at which side this will upper curve or lower curve, you can put the value and see. Put x is equal to 1. So when we put x is equal to 1, we get 1 minus 6 plus 8. 8 plus 1, 9 minus 6, 2. So here we got the positive value. So we can conclude that it will be here, it will be up, it will be upper facing curve. Means the peak will be at 1. And put another value of x, put 3 and you will see here you will get value of y negative. So the curve will look like this. Now we have to find the bounded region between the curve and the x-axis. So this is curve and x-axis is this line. So bounded region will be this one. So this region we have to find, and also this region. This is also the region between the x-axis and the curve. So we have to find these two regions. So for that, let's break this equation into two parts. So area is equal to double integration. Let's first, we will do from 0 to 2 and into dy dx, because x is constant, so we took later, plus 2 to 4 double integration dy dx. So this we have to find. First let me tell you that area is equal to double integration dA. dA is equal to dx dy or dy dx. We write according to our convenience. So we have to find this. Now for that, we have found the limit of dx. Now let's find the value of dy. For that, whenever it's dy dx, we draw the vertical line. So let's draw the vertical line. So when we draw the vertical line, we can see it's entering from y is equal to 0 and it's leaving from y is equal to x cube minus 6x square plus 8x. And in this curve from 2 to 4, it's entering from y is equal to x cube minus 6x square plus 8x and it's leaving from y is equal to 0. So we can write area is equal to integration from 0 to x cube minus 6x square plus 8x 1 into dy dx plus integration from 2 to 4 and its limit are from x cube minus 6x square plus 8x and is leaving from 0 1 into dy dx. Now integration of 1 with respect to dy is y. So we get area is equal to integration from 0 to 2 y, its limit are from 0 to x cube minus x 6x square plus 8x into dx plus 2 to 4, and here also integration of 1 with respect to y is y only and its limit are from x cube minus 6x square plus 8x to 0 into dx. Now put the limit, so we get area is equal to integration from 0 to 2 upper limit minus lower limit, so x cube minus 6x square plus 8x and minus 0 will going to be 0 only, plus integration from 2 to 4 upper limit 0 minus lower limit x cube minus 6x square plus 8x into dx. Now integrate this term with respect to dx, so we get area is equal to integration of x cube is x raised to 4 by 4 minus 6, 2 means 2 plus 1 3 by 3 plus 8x square by 2, its limit are from 0 to 2. Let's take minus outside, so again this will be similar like this only, so we get x raised to 4 by 4 minus 6 by 3 x cube plus 8 by 2 x square, its limit are from 2 to 4. Now put the limit, that is equal to 2 raised to 4 by 4 minus 2, it will get 2 into 2 cube plus 4 into 2 square minus, now put upper limit, so we get 4 raised to 4 by 4 minus 3 into 2, so it will be 2 4 cube plus 4 into 4 square minus, now put lower limit upper limit minus lower limit, so 2 raised to 4 upon 4 minus 2 into 2 cube plus 4 into 2 square. So when we do minus inside, when we solve minus inside, we get minus minus plus, this both will get addition and these both term are same, so we can write area is equal to twice of this term. So this is 2 raised to 4 is 16, 16 by 4 is 4 minus 2 cube is 8, 8 into 2 16 plus 4 4 is 16 minus, now solve this term. So solving this, we get 1 4 will get cancel, 4 cube 4 into 4 16, 16 4 is 64 minus 4 cube 64, 64 into 2 plus this will be 64. So we can clearly see that here 64 plus 64, so it will be twice of 64 and here we are having minus of twice of 64, so this whole will get 0. So this into this plus this 0, so 4 minus 0, that is equal to 4 to the 8. So 8 is our answer. I hope you understood this question. If you have any doubt, then let me know in the comment section given below. If you really liked, then please do like and subscribe to my channel. And also press the notification bell for the latest video. Thank you.